Hi, I made a display shelf. Let me show you how we did this. This is a display shelf. The shelves are actually tilted up just a little bit in the back. That way you can see the objects just a little bit better. If you have something on here that happens to roll off or have that tendency, there's a bead, a decorative edge banding on the front of this to kind of help keep your objects from falling off onto the floor. I started off cutting my boards to length. The two sides are 36 inches long. The shelves themselves are 23.5 inches long. That, with the thickness of the edge side pieces, makes it 25 inches. I used 1x10s to build this with, so that makes it 9.25 inches deep. I cut the inside shelves down to 8.75 inches. That gives them an inset just a little bit, makes them look just a little bit nicer, I think. To fasten them together, first I countersunk some holes and used some screws to fasten everything together, and then cut some 7/8 inch dowel rods to make the plugs to cover up the screw heads so they wasn't quite as visible. To give you something to fasten this to the wall with, I cut a 1x down to 2.5 inches wide, and I cut an angle on the top of that so it would fit underneath the top board, and I fastened that in place. I went ahead and drilled a 7/16 inch hole through the side into the piece, and then used the dowel rod to go through both pieces to fasten them together. I used a 1/4 inch piece of plywood to fasten to the back, made it a lot more stable, give you some visual on the inside of it. I stained everything with early American stain. Everything is coated with 2 coats of polyurethane. After the first coat had dried, I took some very light sandpaper 220 grit and lightly sanded over the entire project. That knocked the little nubs off of the polyurethane after it dried, makes it feel a lot smoother. Put a second coat on it. So this is the finished product. I like the way that it turned out. If I build another one of these, I'll probably put the shelves up just a little bit higher in the back. I have a 4-degree angle in the back of these. I'll probably try an 8 or a 10 degree if I make another one of these shelves. Just live and learn, food for thought. Thanks for watching, I really appreciate it. If you've subscribed, thank you. If you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, hit that button at the bottom, and hopefully we'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching, bye.